One of our high-value targets is in town.
What did I miss, LP?
And install a back door for us.
Oh yeah, but I was just lurking in your stream, dude, so I didn't know. You talking about your microphone and shit? Oh, did he just follow us in here? Because I swear I closed that lift, or that gate. Ah, yeah, he is up in here. Oh, he's back in here again. We're gonna do this the Patrick Docalami way. Patrick taught me this. Easier way of getting up top.
Squad, we got a green light on ctOS search. Scanning for suspect now.
If I could do it right. I haven't practiced this. Patrick's much better at it than me. Aiden. I'm trying to get up here, but Aiden wants to keep falling over. I guess you can only go up so high and do it. Apparently I need to practice this more, Patrick, because you make it look easy. Let's do it for the middle one so we have a bit more coverage for not being seen. Okay. Alright, well, we're in a good spot. I can't get Aiden to bomb dump. I guess we'll do it this way. Patrick, what am I doing wrong? Alright, they're coming up over here, actually. They went flying off that lift. They went flying off that lift. Alright, let's try this one. We want to stand... We're trying to get up there. We want to stand at the top of one of these things, but without falling off. That apparently is the tricky part. Because Aiden will get up to a certain level and he'll want to. He's down there trying to get us. Aiden. He's bombing up here. He's trying. Oh, I need to practice that. If Patrick was here, he would tell me how to get up there.
Wish they all could go down like that.
I'm not a good news. Alright, now we have time to practice this as well. In the middle of a hack. Oh, let me do a highlight command really quick. I'm doing alright, man. Doing alright. I was just telling the people earlier that I just found out that my job is moving to New Hampshire in a few months, and I need to figure out how we want to handle that, because I live in Virginia. New Hampshire is a bit of a ways away, so may end up having to look for a new position or get a whole different new job that's more local. So the idea is to bomb jump off of these up onto up there. It's supposed to be an easier method. I just have not practiced it to get up to the next floor. The problem I'm having is that Aiden only wants to climb up here so far before he falls off. So, which makes sense. I'll have to watch Patrick do it again.
A high-powered patrol unit's been dispatched after the suspect.
But other than that, JD, I have been doing swell. Just have not had much time to hack or to stream because of everything going on and whatnot. But how have you been, man? We will figure it out. Is Garfield in the house? I know he's been lurking. He's one of our cool lurker peeps.
Squad 938 Charlie here. We're heading back to the station. Squad, just lost visual on the suspect. Squad, suspect is gone.
I need to refill bombs. Hack the planet, baby! Another awesome streamer, Mr. Arrow Garfield is here. Thank you, Arrow Garfield, for gracing us with your awesome presence. I haven't seen you in a while, man, except for on your crazy streams. So it is good to have you in here and checking me out sometime. Shout out to Mr. Arrow Garfield. I know Junior's been missing in action too.
Squad, that suspect is gone. We're calling him.
Alright, I need to refill my grenades. Let's go ahead and kill ourselves here really quick. Quickest way to refill your ammo in this game is to kill yourself. Then you don't have to buy it from the shops. I see Arrow's a good friend of Tanya and Steve, of course. Tanya is pretty cool, Arrow, I must say. She just came in here today just to check me out the first time. Followed me, hosted me, gave a cool donation to the stream. Amazing, amazing support from people. I really dig it.